JW मैरियट होटल में आज द इंडियन ब्राइड लग्जरी लाइफस्टाइल एग्जीबिशन का इनॉग्रेशन हो रही है। लैंप लाइटिंग सेरेमनी, इसके अंदर लग्जरी लाइफस्टाइल, ब्राइडल वियर्स एंड ज्वेलरी के स्टॉल्स लगे हुए हैं। 2 दिन की ये एग्जीबिशन आज और कल चलेगी।
आप साथ होइए सर। हाँ जी। हेलो 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 वेट।
And मैं एक NGO रन करती हूँ, Empower for Special Children. I have been recently crowned at Nari First on the Cordelia Cruise as a title winner for Jewel of India. So Annie and her husband have been very kind to invite me here. So this is my first interview or a speech after being a part of Nari First. So I've been associated with the Indian Bride for almost, I think, from the year that they started. So there is a lot of warmth and affection. इस एग्जीबिशन के बारे में ये कह सकती हूँ कि बहुत genuine एग्जीबिशन है. I've always found that the stuff is very nice, very original, and most of the people who have the stalls here are extremely wonderful with the customers. So please come, everybody, enjoy the exhibition whenever it is here. And thank you so much for coming.
I am representing Nippy Jewelers. So Nippy Jewelers is in Chandigarh, serving since 1981. So it's a trust of years and decades, and our unique proposition where we are always towards working for the customer, and we have very strong relationship with all our customers, and we are serving the next generations. And today we are so happy that Annie and the team Indian Bride, they have been so kind and they really motivated us to come and exhibit, and they have put in a lot of effort, and I really appreciate that. So today in today's exhibition we are going to showcase our own original designs, customers' taste, and we develop many more designs. So yes, you'll get to see a lot of unique stuff and very exclusive design at our store. And thank you team Indian Bride, and thank you very much everyone. Happy to be here.
We thrive, our policies, our plans and our delivery is all customer oriented, and we are always focusing on customer satisfaction. That is why we have brought this revolution in this industry to bring all the transparencies to the customer's knowledge, what we are selling, what they are buying, what is the labor, what are the taxes, what are the store charges. That ways Nippy Jewelers has created this revolution to make customer aware of what they are taking home. Thank you.
So good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for inviting me over. So we at JW Marriott Chandigarh have been associated with the Indian Bride for a very long time, since inception, and it's a great exhibition, a one-stop shop. You have brands from all over the country and reputed ones, as you can hear here as well. Genuine products, and I think the customer satisfaction is also great. A lot of footfalls we get in these 2 days, and we are as a hotel also very much excited to have this exhibition with us. JW Marriott itself prides itself for being a wedding destination, so it kind of chimes in well. We have 162 rooms with a lot of food and beverage offering, and a great branding of Shadi by Marriott, Bonvoy. So yes, we welcome all the patrons, and thank you very much for your continued support.
And thank you everybody for please coming here and joining us for the lamp lighting ceremony. I'm so obliged. I'm falling short of words, but I'm really thankful. This is for the first time we've done it ever, and it's really great to have you all here. What a long and beautiful association with all of you here, and let's take it further for years and years to come now. Thank you so much, media, for coming here. Thank you.
Rani Saiba bridal wears. Priyanka's from stalls from all over the India, and jewelry stalls are there in the exhibition. Let's have a look. Kashmiri trends. Jewelers. The 12 bridal designing. Luxury lifestyle exhibition. Under one roof. 2 दिन एग्जीबिशन चलेगी आज और कल 28th and 29th April at Hotel JW Marriott, Chandigarh.